If you want to add color and elegance to your garden this summer and monsoon, then today's video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today we'll talk about top 5 flowering vines that bloom profusely during summer and monsoon and doesn't require much care. Let's check out the list and you let me know through comments which one from the list you have in your garden. Let's get started. The first plant from the list is vibrant dark pink color flowering plant Cardinal Creeper or Epomia horsefalia. This belongs to the morning glory family. And they bloom in bunch. The flower buds resemble berries as you can see and they look even more beautiful. The flowering season is late summers till winters. And the flowers bloom in the morning and gets closed by the evening like other morning glory flowers. The vibrant flowers attract pollinators like birds and honeybees, so it's an ideal plant to be added to your garden if you grow vegetables as well. The only problem I see with this plant is it's very susceptible to pest attack, especially mealybugs and white powdery mildew during winters. And yes, for flowering, make sure you grow this plant somewhere it can get at least 4 hours of direct sunlight. Another vibrant flower to add color to your garden this summer and monsoon, which blooms profusely, is cat's claw. These gorgeous flowers bloom from spring till late monsoon, which is from March till September October. They bloom in bunch and add color to your garden, but surprisingly has no fragrance to it. The name cat's claw is given to it because of its clawed tendrils which grows along the leaves. The plant loves at least 4 to 5 hours of good sunlight for flowering. It's an invasive plant, so I would not suggest you to grow them in garden. Instead, grow them in pots or containers because it becomes really difficult to maintain it if it's grown in garden. You can propagate this plant from thick woody stem cutting, and I have grown this plant from a thick cutting in a 10-inch rectangle pot on terrace and it's blooming profusely and easily manageable as compared to the garden one. Next from the list comes my favorite garlic vine. It blooms in gorgeous lavender color. It's a heavy bloomer and starts blooming from March till October, that is from early summers till late monsoon. The name garlic vine is given to the plant after the fragrance of the leaves when crushed smells exactly like garlic. The entire plant is edible, its leaves, stem, flowers, everything. And it has many medicinal uses as well. And it's a very good pest repellent plant and I have never seen any pest attack on this plant so far. The flowers change its color by fading off from purple to lavender to dull white by the time it dries off. So at the same time in a bunch you can see 3 colors: purple, lavender and dull white color. It can be easily propagated by thick woody stem cuttings and grow them in monsoon for better results. Apart from blooming into these gorgeous flowers, they attract pollinators like these cute little birdies also. Another from my favorite list comes Rangoon or Chinese honeysuckle with highly fragrant flowers. It's a double petal variety and the flowers smell divine at night and early morning. Its flowering season starts in March and blooms till late monsoon. For heavy flowering, apart from feeding it with the fertilizer, you need to prune it well when the winter season gets over, which is the early spring season. The plant likes full sunlight for flowering and the flowers change its colors. Yes, you heard it right. When the flowers are bloomed in the morning, the color is white. And by the evening it turns into light pink color and the next day it becomes dark pink color. The last flowering vine from the list, which is a heavy bloomer and doesn't require much care or maintenance, is Bougainvillea. They come in many colors and are heavy bloomers for summers. All they need is full sunlight and less water for flowering, especially if grown in pots. Pruning is another key to get more blooms in this plant. So prune it nicely once its flowering season gets over, which will promote more branches, and more branches means more flowers. It can be very easily propagated by thick woody stem cuttings and grow them in monsoon for better results. I hope you liked today's video. I have detailed video on each plant discussed today. Please check it, link is there in the description box. That's all for today guys. I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.